Hello dear friends, today I will show you how to quickly and easily find music using Shazam. So, first we need to install it. Let's go to the App Store. We carefully type the word Shazam into the search engine's query box. Here we find the very amazing app. It will be in a blue circle with white lines. I already downloaded it, so I'll click on the cloud. You will have a different start. You will download it using identification. After he successfully downloads the file, we need to access it promptly and take the following essential steps. Let's wait for our upload. And in the meantime, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like and share this video with your friends. So friends, we're halfway through the loading. Let's wait and I'll show you how to find the video. Now, let's go in the movie Shazam. Now, please click continue. Now to find music, if you want to find it, you need to turn it on your phone or computer. Then press Shazam. Don't panic at all. Let's go ahead and navigate to the settings menu. Turning on the microphone. Then we return to the world of Shazam once again. Alright. Now we carefully press the Shazam button and wait. And our Shazam is searching for music. After he goes into the music, it will shine here by itself. Next, we can hang it up securely on the wall to display it beautifully. Discover new songs and upcoming concerts. We can find the music we want ourselves. Let's dive into the world of music. Here we see the songs we've already searched for and need for our playlist. But we can also find songs that we are eager to engage in this endeavor. Let's explore this approach and see how it unfolds effectively. Here, for example, and we find any song we want. Friends, if this video was helpful, please subscribe to the channel, and write in thoughtful comments evaluating this intriguing video. See you all soon. Goodbye.